start thinking now we are the teachers. We don't need any teachers. Actually, that is the biggest mistake we make in our life.
You see the contributors, all big names, all the leaders are here contributing to our article. It's a pride to have such a big list of people.
I hope your nominations should be there, and all the best for all of you to win each and every award.
This is something I liked very much, and congratulations for the entire Muscat family team for selecting such a wonderful team. Nobody can replace this team, and that's why I said there are a lot of quality in this particular club.
It is visible and everyone is seeing how you have installed your team, how you have published your team, published your magazine. Everything is really, really wonderful.
A very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber, and future of an individual.
The best teacher in my life is none other than my mother.
Basically, there are many teachers who have taught different lessons in our lives, but I especially remember the most I admire is my father.
Teacher whom I consider as my lifelong mentor is a teacher from my school.
You have to come up with any topic of your choice, but it has to be done properly researched, and you have to present it in a proper style. It can't be just simply a report on research and presentation.
As you can see, there are 5 countries which has done very well in terms of recoveries. Fantastic. 57% of the recoveries have come from 5 different countries who are doing extremely well in terms of recoveries. Of course, USA, Brazil, India, Russia, and South Africa.
Mister, can you go out? I got offended and I said, why? How can you say a teacher to go out? Why should I go out? I felt angry. He told, no, mister, can you go out? Can you go out?
So let's roll out the table topics in the form of table topics Antakshari, but in a tall tale style.
We traveled almost 300 kilometers to go to that beach, and we found out that there was no beach. There was just a small puddle where it was a pink place.
I took the monster, flung it, and tried to throw it like a Peter, but it landed up there in Alaska only.
When you described about you as a student, I remembered my school days and the mischiefs that I had done. And I'm sure everyone must have remembered that, which would have brought smile on everyone's face.
Meeting was conducted in a very friendly and jovial manner. I love coming back to your meetings. I love the camaraderie between the members. I think you are doing an amazing work. Keep doing that, what you're doing. And I have no doubt, very soon, the MFTC will be one of the top performing club of Division 105.